GameBoost Review. Is this gaming app worth using? If you've stumbled across GameBoost and you're wondering whether it's actually legit or just another risky gaming marketplace, you're not alone. GameBoost markets itself as an all-in-one platform for gamers, offering accounts, boosting services, in-game currencies, items, top-ups, and game keys across a massive range of popular titles. At first glance, GameBoost looks very polished and professional. The site covers everything from Fortnite and Roblox to World of Warcraft, Valorant, GTA 5, and hundreds of other games. Instead of being a single game service, it acts more like a global marketplace where gamers can buy progression, virtual currency, or ready-made accounts. The buying process is designed to be fast and simple. You choose a service, complete payment, and the async order is processed, often advertised as instant or near instant. Payment options are broad, including credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, PaySafe, and even crypto, which adds flexibility, but also means users should be extra cautious and understand refund policies clearly. One standout feature GameBoost heavily promotes is human support. They claim 24/7 live support with real people, not bots, which is a big plus in a space where automated replies are common. Many user testimonials highlight fast responses and good communication when issues arise. That said, it's important to understand the nature of services like this. Buying boosted ranks, accounts, or in-game currency can violate the terms of service of certain games. While the platform may deliver what's promised, there is always a risk of account bans or restrictions, depending on the game publisher. This isn't unique to GameBoost. It applies to almost all third-party gaming service platforms. GameBoost also leans heavily on social proof. The site displays thousands of reviews, order statistics, years in operation, and claims millions of completed orders since launching in 2018. While this suggests the platform is well established, users should still do their own research and avoid impulse purchases. Here's a clear breakdown of the pros and cons. Overall, GameBoost appears to be a legitimate gaming services platform, rather than an outright scam. Many users report receiving exactly what they paid for, along with responsive support when needed. However, legitimacy doesn't mean zero risk, especially when it comes to boosted accounts or third-party currency. If you're an experienced gamer who understands the risks and just wants to save time, GameBoost may be worth considering. If you value long-term account safety or prefer grinding your way up naturally, it's probably best to skip services like this altogether. Bottom line, GameBoost is legit, but it's not risk-free. Use it carefully, know the rules of your game, and never spend more than you're comfortable potentially losing.